got it, yeah?
Yes, I got it. Come on, Ryan, show us some flavor.
I couldn't get out. The first thing we're on the edge. Here, I got it. Whee!
Do it again, Ryan.
We have a lot of videos.
Did you get that video?
I'm still video recording. Go, Ryan. Ryan, go.
We gotta put a lot of these videos on YouTube.
Ryan, fall off again just for fun.
No.
That was sick. Ouch. Don't throw a rock at me. Ryan, stop.
Alright.